Have you ever wondered if there's a way to supercharge your productivity without feeling overwhelmed? ClickUp Brain claims to do just that, but does it live up to the hype? Let's dive into what this AI-driven productivity tool really offers. ClickUp Brain is essentially an AI productivity assistant designed to enhance your workflow within ClickUp, a popular project management tool. The core functionality revolves around using AI to help you organize tasks, prioritize your work, and even suggest next steps based on your current projects. Right off the bat, the interface feels intuitive, especially if you are already familiar with ClickUp. You can expect features like smart task suggestions and automated reminders, which can be a game changer for busy professionals juggling multiple projects. However, it does raise some questions about how well it integrates with existing workflows, especially for teams that heavily rely on manual processes. One thing that stands out is the AI's learning curve. While it's designed to adapt to your preferences, you might find some hiccups if you're not completely aligned with its recommendations. Overall, it seems like a solid option for those looking to streamline their task management, but there are still some areas that feel a bit unclear. Now, let's look at the pros and cons. On the positive side, ClickUp Brain can significantly enhance your productivity by automating mundane tasks and providing intelligent suggestions. It's especially beneficial for teams that thrive on collaboration and need to keep track of various projects. However, there are a few frustrations to consider. Some users have reported that the AI can be overly eager with suggestions which might feel intrusive rather than helpful. There's also the concern of pricing. While ClickUp itself offers various plans, adding AI features could push costs higher, raising questions about overall value. For those who prefer a hands-on approach to managing their tasks, the reliance on AI might not sit well. In short, if you're a fan of AI-driven tools and already use ClickUp, it could be worthwhile, but traditional users might want to explore alternatives. In conclusion, ClickUp Brain is a promising tool for anyone looking to boost productivity through AI. If you're already invested in ClickUp and comfortable with using AI, it could be a great fit. However, if you prefer a more traditional approach to task management, it might not be the best match. Overall, it's worth giving a try, but proceed with caution.